Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So we have been using Google Assistant for years now, but Gemini is the next generation of AI. It's smarter, more conversational, and can handle complex tasks across multiple apps. And yes, you can use it exactly like you use Google Assistant, just by saying "Hey Google" or holding down your side button. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go and talk about how to set Gemini as your voice assistant. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So let's say you are using Android. You should go all the way and install the Gemini app. Go ahead and open the Google Play Store, search for Gemini and install the official Google Gemini app. Once installed, tap open. To launch it, you will need to sign in with your Google account and agree to the terms. Now it's time to open settings. Open the settings app on your Android phone. So this method works for most Android devices, though some manufacturers may have slight differences. Navigate to digital assistant settings, tap apps or apps and notifications, scroll down and tap default apps or choose default apps. Tap digital assistant app, then tap it again to see your options. Switch to Gemini from the list. And that's basically the whole idea that you should know. Besides this, if you are using a MacBook or Windows, you can easily go to Google Gemini and use this microphone button. Then you will be able to basically say whatever you want, and Gemini will help you out. So that's your idea. Thank you all for watching. To see you all in the next video.